Hi guys, today we will learn how to install Git on Windows 11. Click on your browser, search Git. Here is the official website. Click on that. Latest version is click on download for Windows. Here, click here to download. Click on that. Now start downloading. After complete, click on that. Allow yes. Next. This is the path. Click on next. Click on additional icon on the desktop. Next. Git. Next. Click on use Visual Studio Code as Git default editor and you choose according to your. Next. 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 Click on next. 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 Click on next. 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 And next. And now install. And finish. Your download is complete. Here is Git base. Thank you for watching. For check, open cmd, click and type Git. Enter. Now install complete. Thank you for watching the video. Bye. And like, share and subscribe.